presents from kids and Santa and go roller skating and decorate my tree, and my mama and dada was there. Today we're making Christmas cookies. That's something kids can all do. And today our friend Wyatt is gonna come help. We're so glad our friend Wyatt's here with us. First, we're gonna start out by washing our hands. You start with your favorite sugar cookie dough. Next, you roll out your dough. Next, you cut out your cookies. Jingle, jingle, cookies cut. Cut, cut, cut. My favorite is the snowflake. Cookie cutter, cookie cutter, cookie cutter. Then you get your mom and dad to help you bake the cookies. Now it's time to decorate our cookies.